warm welcome to everybody who's coming in brand new.
Now, would any of you newbies like to get in and race these pigs here?
No, well, hold on. You know it don't work like that. They don't race the pigs race each other.
Well, they didn't know that, Jeb, and I thought we could just have a little bit of fun with them.
Just don't listen to him. We're just here to teach you a little bit about pigs and put on a great race.
Now, speaking of teaching y'all about pigs, do you know what you get when you mix a dinosaur and a pig?
What?
Jurassic Park!
Oh, no. He's going to be doing this all day. I'm so sorry.
Now, do y'all know the name of the smartest pig that ever lived?
Oh, let's see. I think there was a... You know what? What was the name of the smartest pig?
And swag!
Oh, God. All right, that's it. Let's just move on to the pig race, okay? But first, we got to introduce our 4 amazing pig athletes. They've been training super hard for today, doing some piggy push-ups, a little bit of bar boxing, and even some swine swimming. The first one, all the way from Pennsylvania, is Bonnie Blue.
Yeah, you want Bonnie Blue to win!
Woo! Bonnie Blue's got a crowd. Our second contestant has just recovered from a torn hamstring. It's Ruby Red.
Let's go, Ruby Red to win!
All right, Ruby's got a real big fan.
Yeah.
All right, our third one is a barn athlete. He's in training for the 2020 Summer Olympics. It's Gomer Green.
Let's go, Gomer Green, bring home that gold!
All right, and our fourth and final contestant comes from a tiny little European hamlet. It's Yanni Yellow.
Clap that Yanni Yellow, you want him to win!
All right, well, now that you've placed your bets and picked your pigs, let's get on with the pig race.
Because the next one on the count of 3, if you will please unleash the pig.
Come on, Ruby Red!
All right.
Does she? Which one do you want?
On 1, 2, 3. Gomer Green took home the gold. All right, who voted for Gomer Green? Raise your hand.
Raise your hand, Green.
All right, we got 1, 2, 3. Only 3 of you are gonna get some popcorn.
Look what he's giving you.
I think it might have been 4.
He's giving you 4.
Let's see. You guys bought yourselves some free popcorn. There you go.
What, you had it picked?
All right, we got you guys over here. You guys over here. I'll be right back.
Almost.
All right. Thank y'all for coming down.
Thank you.
If anybody did win and still wants to have some fun, wait over here and we'll go over and play some tug of war. But until then, have a great day and enjoy the rest of your time here at Harbes Farm.
And now don't forget, at the top of every hour, we've got a beautiful hayride. And this lovely lady right here will sing to you.
Thank you, folks.
Thank you.
Enjoy your day.
They got a